You know, one of the things that I think is really special about this site is just how beautiful it is. A lot of the roads out here we've actually built around ravines. We've changed the layouts of the roads, the collection lines, just because, you know, environmental is very important to Puget. And that was, you know, besides safety, that was their number 2 priority out here, making sure everybody was safe, but making sure that we disturb the environment as little as possible.
So we're here at the Beaver Creek Wind Facility, which is a 248 megawatt facility in Stillwater County, Montana. One of the reasons that this project is so important to Puget Sound Energy is that we have a bill passed in Washington State, or law, called the Clean Energy Transformation Act. And what that requires is that by 2030, we be carbon neutral in our generation fleet and actually all of our energy resources. And by 2045, we be completely carbon neutral. As the first new wind farm that we built in over 10 years, this wind farm complements our wind farms that we have in central and eastern Washington. And the reason for that is that our wind farms in Washington State peak in the summer, and Beaver Creek is a winter peaking wind resource. So it complements our total energy balance from our wind portfolio.
Through the course of the project, we've had a series of changes, updates to the plan, the sequence on site. Some of them would be, you know, changing the layout of the roads or the collection system to avoid water features. We've added additional security protocols to the O&M building, several additional environmental protection items to the project, one of which is a bird monitoring system for the project. In that, we've changed all of our foundations to add additional conduits that we could tie in power communications to this new camera system, really with the ultimate goal of protecting the environment and being stewardships of the land.
So one of the things that's really important to Puget Sound Energy is that we're a good neighbor. One of the things that I really enjoyed about MasTec was hearing about how they integrate the construction project into a local community, particularly a rural community like we're in here.
By meeting with the county commissioners weekly, by having our safety staff part of the fire department, by having our safety staff actually wearing pagers that are tied into local EMS fire department because they're part of local EMS, part of the local fire department, has really helped us to bond with that community.
I've been in the construction and engineering industry for over 30 years, and I've spent about 23 of those years with Puget Sound Energy. So I've worked with a lot of contractors over the years, and I can say MasTec has just been a great partner on this project, and I would look forward to working with them again.
You know, Beaver Creek has been a very successful project for not only MasTec, but for Puget as well. And it really comes back to having a team, you know, and we've got a fantastic team on this site. We'll flip the switch and turn the plant on to have a very successful project with Puget, you know, really with multiple projects hopefully to come with their organization.